In this video we will see how to create three-fold photo frame in PowerPoint. For that we require a single photo in PowerPoint. Let's start how to create this three-fold photo frame. We have inserted this photo in the PowerPoint. We need two more copies of this photo. For that press Ctrl D 2 times, you get two more copies. Now double click on this photo, you reach to the format menu. There the size is available, height and width. We have to reduce each photo to 1/3 of its size. So 1/3 of this width is almost 2.5. Crop this photo from left side till 2.55. So it is almost 2.55. Now the left photo is reduced again to 2.55. And the center photo is reduced from both the sides, from left side and from right side both. It is again almost 2.55. Now we arrange this photo. Then select one photo, go to picture effect, 3D rotation. In perspective, select perspective contrasting right. Again go to picture effect, 3D rotation and 3D rotation options. We do not need any change in y-axis and z-axis, so it should be 0. Similarly, to this photo, go to 3D rotation, select perspective heroic extreme left, go to 3D rotation options, and make y and z axis to 0. Now it is almost done. In this way. Now you can give some effects. Select all photos, go to in the format, then in picture effect, under bevel, select any of these, whatever you like. So I go to art deco, and it is almost completed, and the three-fold photo frame is formed. It looks like this way.